The next principle of how we fix it is avoid news-driven trades. That's avoiding the hype, right? We're going to avoid news-driven trades. It's not to say there's no money to be made around news-driven trades, but news, for the most part, gets factored in very, very quickly. And Charles Dow, the father of technical analysis, he identified this, 150 years ago? Back in the late 1800s, they knew way back then that news gets factored in within minutes. This was before we had all the communication outlets that we have today. Today, a lot of the news gets factored in and filtered into the price even before the news is released. So if you're trying to trade news-driven trades, you're always going to be chasing it. To that point, what makes it even worse is news outlets actually aren't ahead of anything. News outlets wake up in the morning, and I've proven this for years. I should probably do a stream just on how news outlets manipulate the message. But for years, news outlets have looked at what happens in the morning. They wake up today, the market's up 400 points, and then they say, okay, why? And they go find a story to associate to that, but they had nothing to do with each other. And so by doing so, they're manipulating the market just by simply making associations that don't actually work. News is one of the worst things that you can choose to follow in the trade.